It is the end of a long day. You want healthy, glowing skin, but the idea of standing in front of the mirror for a complicated 20-minute skincare routine feels exhausting. That is where the 5-minute RIMAN nighttime ritual comes in. This is a strict, optimized protocol designed to perfectly cleanse, prep, treat, and seal your skin in exactly 300 seconds. To execute this routine, you need a specific ecosystem of products working together. This is the ICD Essential Nighttime Ritual Set, your complete toolkit. You will need to source this exact, authentic set from kbeautyusa.com, an authorized independent RIMAN planner. And because the full routine crosses the $200 mark, adding the set to your cart automatically triggers free shipping. Achieving professional-grade skincare results does not require spending hours in front of the mirror. It requires having the right tools organized into a precise, time-bound system. Let's start the clock. Minute 1 is all about removing the day. The entire ritual breaks down if your foundation isn't perfectly clear of daily buildup, makeup, and sunscreen. Grab the ICD Moisture Cleansing Oil, the amber pump bottle. Dispense it and massage the oil directly onto your face. Stop and check your hands before you start. Both your skin and your hands must be completely dry for this step. Adding water too early prevents the oil from breaking down stubborn sunscreen and makeup. With the heavy buildup melted away, we move into minute 2, the refreshment phase. Follow up immediately with the Derm Snow Enzyme Cleanser EX. Now you can add water, working the cream into a foam before gently massaging your skin and rinsing everything away. If you have mature skin, be careful to avoid over-exfoliating. Stick to this gentle enzyme formula for your nightly wash and save harsher powder washes for occasional use. This specific dry-to-wet 2-step cleansing protocol creates a genuinely bare canvas, perfectly prepped to absorb the treatments coming next. Minute 3 is your hydrating prep step. After a thorough cleanse, we need to reset the skin's moisture balance. Take your ICD 2-phase oil mist. You can see the distinct layer of yellow oil sitting on top of the clear water, which means shaking the bottle vigorously before you spray is mandatory. Mist it evenly over your face. Now we reach minute 4. This is the core targeted treatment phase, where the most concentrated work happens. Apply your RIMAN ICD Dermatology First package. Take the Booster EX and Serum EX and gently pat them into your skin for maximum absorption. We are down to minute 5. This is the final mandatory sealing phase. Take the rich ICD Dermatology Cream from the round jar on the right. Smooth this fast-absorbing formula evenly across your entire face and neck. Applying this final cream barrier is the most crucial step of the night. It physically locks in all the hydration from your earlier layers and prevents those valuable serums from evaporating while you sleep. And that is time. You have completed the full protocol in exactly 5 minutes. Right now, your skin should feel deeply hydrated, soft, and nourished, completely free of any heavy or greasy afterfeel. You have taken a tired, build-up covered canvas and turned it into an optimized, overnight-ready complexion. To bring this exact system into your own bathroom, head to kbeautyusa.com to secure your complete ICD Essential Nighttime Ritual Set. Remember that purchasing the full routine automatically qualifies your cart for the $200 free shipping threshold. Mastering this 5-minute discipline guarantees that your skin has exactly what it needs to repair itself all night, giving you maximum results with zero wasted time.